All right, so today we're just gonna get right into it. Got some new carpet, floor mats, and seat belts ordered from stockinteriors.com. It's these auto custom carpets. All right, so this is what it would look like, or will look like with the. So this is what it's gonna look like with carpet and the floor mats installed. So pretty excited. I like the contrast. Hoping that these gray match the seats here, but I think they're just gonna be a little too warm of a gray. I'm super excited for these red seat belts. I think they're gonna look really good on the gray seats and really make the red GTI stripe pop. All right, well, let's get to it. Alright, so here is the blue carpet, just in case you forgot how gross it is. I mean, it's been cleaned a ton, but it's gross still, so basically the black piece I have is going to take care of everything from here forward, and then decisions are going to need to be made. I'm either going to dye the fabric back here, especially the arches, because I can't really find those pieces anywhere. I may just have to dye those black. But I believe the piece that goes over the spare and goes up underneath the rear seats here, this one, I'm pretty sure it's not in bad shape. I probably could dye it if I wanted to, but we'll see. There we go. Alright.
Grossness.
I'm nervous about cutting holes in this new carpet, so using chalk and kind of just marking each spot roughly where there should be a hole. Yeah, I think I'm gonna need to cut out the one for the parking brake and the shifter. That way this can actually set in. And then I think then I can get it roughly positioned on these arches, cut these guys out, and then once it's down really good, figure out what to do with the carpet. Because the carpet was super, has a, carpet's like this on the old stuff, and it's been worn out and really wide, and so I'm hoping to keep the gap as minimum as I can. My assistant left me, so back to videoing and cutting by myself. So what I did, marked it with chalk. This is the hole for parking brake. That's going to be for the shift knob. I had to modify just a little bit of the metal bracket because this doesn't have the groove cut out that the original one has. But I think we're all right. It's in there good. Because it's mounted this way, it's kind of reverse of what you would normally expect to see. So I had to flip this around up here to get this bracket, or this little hanging piece, to be the right way. And then I just need to mount this down here. So all we gotta do here is unbolt the seatbelt from the base and just mount this new red one on. It's a little bit longer, but I don't think it's gonna cause any trouble. It's definitely been at least a week or more since I put the carpet in. I've been so nervous about cutting it and messing it up that I just keep going back into the garage and looking at it for a little bit, contemplating, and then going back into the house. But today's the day. And now down the bottom of the door, it looks all nice and clean. Oh wait, we have a package. New floor mats. And these are gonna be perfect. Until next time.